Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Spike in Valorant. Understanding the core mechanics is crucial for success. As an attacker, your goal is to plant the spike, which takes 4 seconds. Once planted, defenders have 45 seconds to defuse it. Defusing takes 7 seconds, but you can achieve a half defuse in 3.5 seconds, which is a key tactical element. As an attacker, strategic planting is paramount. Aim for sites that provide natural cover and strong post-plant positions. Utilize your agent's utility, like smokes or flashes, to secure the plant. Once the spike is down, avoid clumping together. Instead, spread out to cover various angles. Effective communication about enemy movements and coordinating abilities to prevent defuses are vital for securing the round win. Defenders must focus on preventing the spike plant. Hold key entry points and deploy your abilities to deny attackers access to the site. If the spike is planted, a coordinated retake is essential. Work with your team to clear the site, prioritizing enemy eliminations before starting the defuse. Remember, using smokes or flashes to cover the defuse animation can be a game changer, buying you precious seconds to secure the round. To truly master spike gameplay, consistent practice is key. Spend time in custom games to refine your planting and defusing speed. Familiarize yourself with optimal plant locations and powerful post-plant ability lineups on every map. Always communicate clearly with your team, providing updates on spike status and enemy locations. Finally, be flexible. Adapt your strategies based on what the opposing team is doing and the agents they are playing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.